If Telegram is failing to download files, images, or videos, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We're going to restart the app properly, clear the local cache, check your connection settings, and change the download path if needed. These steps are quick, easy to follow, and they can fix a lot of common Telegram download errors on Windows. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and guides. Alright, let's get started. First, restart Telegram completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it is fully quit. To do that, look at the Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click the Telegram icon, and choose Quit. This fully closes the app and refreshes it properly. After that, open Telegram again and test the download one more time. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to clear temporary glitches that affect downloads. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear Telegram's local cache. Open Telegram settings, then go to Advanced, then Manage Local Storage and click Clear All. This removes stored temporary files that may be corrupted or taking up too much space. Don't worry, clearing cache does not delete your chats or your account. It just clears local data that Telegram has saved on your device. Once the cache is cleared, try downloading the file again and see if the problem is gone. If Telegram still won't download properly, the next thing to check is your connection settings. Go back into Settings, open Advanced, then select Connection Type. Here, make sure proxy is disabled unless you specifically need it. A bad proxy setup can interfere with Telegram downloads and cause connection problems, slow transfers, or failed downloads. Disabling it can often restore normal behavior right away. After that, if downloads are still not working, change the download path. In Telegram settings, choose a different folder for your downloads, or even set it to your desktop temporarily. This is useful because sometimes the original folder has permission issues, syncing conflicts, or storage restrictions that prevent Telegram from saving files correctly. Picking a new folder gives Telegram a fresh location to write files without errors. Once you've changed the path, try downloading again and see if it works. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Telegram download error. Start with restarting the app, then clear the cache, check the proxy settings, and finally change the download folder if needed. These steps are safe, simple, and effective for fixing common download issues on Telegram. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.